Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram vertical post on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the social media path section you can find the Instagram post vertical option. Here just select the template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change the text on your project, click to the text box. You can delete this text and you can write your own text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can edit the size of your text. If you want to add images to your project, click to the photos section, and here you can search photos, and in the upload section you can upload from your device. In the object section you can find different objects. For example, click to the ice cream, you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project, and if you want to add music, click to the music button and click to the, for example, the summer section, and if you want to add the music, click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.